Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to multi-date log food on the Ladder application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it's all about and how to get started. So first things first, you're going to need the Ladder application. If you do not already have it downloaded, what you can do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find the application and install it. So once you found the official Ladder application and got it going, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by, from where we can get started using the application. So first thing you're going to do is going to choose your theme right here in the bottom right corner by clicking the theme section. That's going to enable you to filter out all the themes and find out which one suits you the most for your needs, and now you can get started following that theme's workouts right here. So from here, let's go and take a look at how to multi-date log food. Basically guys, what we're going to do is be using the nutrition tab right here. Using the nutrition tab, this is going to enable us to set up our tracking for our meals alongside our workouts. As you can see, tracking is going to be made easy and you're going to go and be able to log your water, steps, macros, calories, proteins, whatever. It's all going to be doable right here. So you're going to have the option to use the multi-date logging feature directly from the nutrition tab, but you need a premium plan. Keep that in mind. A Ladder cannot be used for free, but once you've got your membership right here, you're going to go and be able to use the nutrition tab and to go ahead and be able to multi-date your log and food alongside your workouts. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.